Clothing, food, pharmaceuticals, everything. Billions of dollars in e-commerce delivered right to your door, and it shows no signs of stopping. But there's a problem. Nearly a third of Americans have had a package stolen off their porch. That's tens of millions of packages, worth billions of dollars. Many have tried to solve the problem, but no one has designed a solution that's both secure and convenient.
Until now. Introducing eDoor and eBox by Strategic Innovations, LLC. A revolutionary advancement in delivery technology that ensures safe, secure, easy access to a world of packaged possibilities. Britton Ladd of Forbes called eDoor and eBox the most complete e-commerce package and grocery delivery solution for consumers and retailers. What are eDoor and eBox? eDoor is a modular system that allows you to safely and securely receive all kinds of packages, whether anyone is there or not. eDoor replaces your standard door with one that features our patent-pending expandable e-boxes, capable of accepting packages, food items, and high-value deliveries. eDoor can replace just about any door, but we don't stop there. eBox is so versatile, it can be installed almost anywhere, in a garage door, a fence, a gate, or an exterior wall. Whether you install a single eBox or a full eDoor, your life will never be the same. With eDoor and eBox, packages can be delivered safely without letting anyone inside, providing the most secure, most convenient, and simply the best option for delivery. Available in an assortment of sizes, eBoxes can hold packages of almost any size and shape. Our high-security eBox offers an extra layer of security for high-value or controlled items like prescription medications, cannabis, or alcohol. A biometric control system ensures that it's received only by the person it's intended for. Receiving a large or bulky item? We have you covered there too. Our exclusive e-tether device means those items that can't fit in an e-box are still fully alarmed and protected against theft. e-tether is also available as a standalone product. With eDoor and eBox, convenience and safety are everything. And everything is controlled by our mobile app that allows you to manage each interaction easily and securely. A one-time e-key can be sent to anyone with a smartphone, giving them secure access to the eBox compartment for your online order, food delivery, or even an item dropped off by a friend. And all that is just the beginning. There's so much more to eDoor and eBox, from hot and cold climate-controlled compartments to drone delivery access. Welcome to a future where you don't have to worry about any kind of delivery. Convenience, versatility, security. eDoor and eBox are the new gateways to billions of dollars in e-commerce. There's nothing else like it. That's why we're asking for strategic industry partners to take eDoor and eBox to the masses. You can help usher in the future of delivery. eDoor and eBox by Strategic Innovations, LLC.
Isn't it annoying that your smartphone quickly runs out of battery? To avoid this, most people use power bank that is usually quite heavy and takes 5 to 12 hours to refill, always reminding you to charge. Introducing Apollo Traveler, the ultra-slim graphene power bank, recharged in only 18 minutes. So you have an unlimited power that always has juicy for your devices. It's pocket-sized, can fit anywhere. With jet-safe technology and the graphene composite battery, Apollo Traveler secures the highest power conversion rate in the world. Fully recharged in 18 minutes could be 13 times faster than regular power banks. Therefore, you don't need to charge your power bank the whole night. Just charge it while you are brushing your teeth in the morning, or waiting for a cup of coffee, or having tea break between a meeting. Just 18 minutes. Apollo Traveler will keep all your devices powered up the whole day and make you feel at ease in any situations. Apollo Traveler supports up to 45-watt USB-C PD or 18-watt QC output, which means it can charge iPhone X 50% in 30 minutes at full speed. With Apollo Traveler, you can be fully charged and always be ready. No more waiting. Join us on Kickstarter now.
Introducing U-Drone, the ultimate mind-reading drone that allows you to fly a drone with the power of your mind. U-Drone integrates leading cognitive technologies into an intelligent headset that reads your brainwaves, tracks slight facial movements, and converts these signals into commands. At the size of your palm, the 85 grams U-Drone is extremely compact, lightweight, and portable. To take off, all you need to do is concentrate and imagine the drone lifting off. You can even adjust the altitude by imagining, adjust the flying direction by tilting your head, and land the drone by biting your teeth. Capturing a photo with U-Drone can be done with 2 blinks with your eyes, or a peace sign with your hand. All U-Drone images are consistently sharp and vivid. The HD camera shoots stabilized videos at 1080p and stunning still images at 8 megapixels. Tracking a certain subject on the move or from different angles? Our subject tracking technology can automatically identify and continually follow a moving person. If you wish to reach further, flying with your mobile device as the remote control is an alternative option. You can view real-time camera feed on the U-Drone app and sync photos and videos onto your device instantly. Whether you are indoor or outdoor, U-Drone will be a perfect add-on to your magical moments. The powerful camera system automatically adjusts camera focus, exposure, and position to ensure your face is ideally displayed in the frame. All you need to do is act naturally. Whenever inspiration strikes across your mind, U-Drone will lead you into an adventure within and beyond your imagination.
Remember the excitement you felt the first time you visited a new place? The best architects build stunning cityscapes to inspire you to explore. Drawing inspiration from contemporary architecture and modern art, Avik's John Utzon line of luxury watches are for individuals unafraid to be bold. Avik is the brainchild of Krivia. Starting from a young age, she has always been fascinated by the works of contemporary architects who inspire her to forge her own creative path. Tired of traditional watches, which haven't seen a significant update in centuries, she created this line to push the boundaries of art and fashion in the same trailblazing way as her favorite architects. We are excited to present our 3 watches. First, let's introduce the Opera. Deeply associated with the love of minimalism, this watch derives its inspiration from the Sydney Opera House, designed by the legendary Jorn Utzon in 1957. Opera similarly brings simple, structural function to complex daily lives. Next, the Ontario. The constructivist crystalline form of the 1912 Royal Ontario Museum gives life to the Ontario watch. The all-black mother-of-pearl design reflects colors of green, purple, blue, gray, silver, mixing shades like a peacock's feather. Topped off by alligator black genuine leather straps. Finally, the Faina. This watch integrates a dynamic combination of art and culture, a design to fall in love with. Likewise, the Faina watch. The gray, concrete, cracked aesthetic and clean lines represent the feeling of breakthrough for the artistic, adventurous, and fashionable mind. A complex blend of textures and layers draw you in for a closer look. And our attention to detail doesn't end with design. Any lasting creation needs a foundation in quality materials. Made from marine-grade stainless steel and fitted with the softest genuine leather straps, Avik watches not only look good, they feel good too. Most importantly, we are committed to creating luxury watches everyone can afford and enjoy. A watch is not just a timepiece. It is a statement, an expression of who you are. Who are you? You are whoever you desire to be. Join with us, help fund our campaign, and together, we'll enjoy watches which do more than just tell time. Avik. Don't just wear a watch. Make a statement.
Humans are great at saving things. We save money, save seats, save the last dance, and we almost saved a lot of time when we invented robots. But then Facebook happened. Still, overall, pretty great at saving things. You know what we're not great at saving? Leftovers. But to be fair, we don't have great options. Option 1, the baggie. Our way of telling nature, hey, screw you. The average family can go through 2,000 of these a year. And the average fish is dead because you killed him with 2,000 plastic baggies. If you've ever defused a bomb or used one of these to store something liquid, you know what true fear is. No.
Dad, it's dripping everywhere.
Go get the dog. Option 2, plastic containers. And with them, lids. Lids that somehow multiply like teenage plastic rabbits. But you know what doesn't multiply? The one that fits the stupid container. Point is, it's hard to be good at saving things when your choices are disposable plastic garbage or impossible matching games. But now, saving is about to get simple. Introducing Ziptop containers.
The world's first reusable 100% platinum silicone containers that stand up, stay open, and zip shut.
Are they perfect? No. But yes, they are perfect. With 5 patents pending, the Ziptop was designed with the environment in mind. One Ziptop can replace over 5,000 plastic baggies, which could save who knows how many fish. It also might save some sharks too, but for a container that doesn't need a lid, it is worth the risk. And unlike baggies, the Ziptop containers are tough. Heat, cold, cars. Even kids can't destroy it. And they will try.
This is mine. Give it to me.
They will always try. But you'll rest easy knowing that the Ziptop can take whatever you throw at it, or in it. Need to store scalding hot soup? This laughs in the face of soup. This makes soup feel bad about itself. Look at it stand upright. Your liquids are secure now. Save your worrying for the sharks. Plus, it's easy to get excess air out of Ziptop containers, which will keep your food fresher longer. Ziptop is freezer safe, microwave safe, and even oven safe. If it were any safer, we'd be calling it Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. And when you're done, just toss them in the dishwasher. The Ziptops are fine. Easy. And because it's 100% platinum silicone, it won't leach harmful chemicals like plastics can. But maybe you're saying, hey, I like leached chemicals in my food. This product is not for you. Also, please see a doctor. And if storing your food perfectly wasn't enough, Ziptops are great for taking meals or snacks on the go. With 8 different shapes and sizes, Ziptop containers can be used anywhere, even your car's cup holder. They're great for more than just holding food, too. Get weird with it. We won't judge. We love you. Need proof? Exhibit A.
Thanks, honey.
That's my sandwich. It's time to leave the outdated options behind. Save the planet and save yourself with Ziptop containers. Get yours today.